What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning the song by Foo Fighters. I've been winning all the wars since I was young. Since I was a little boy with the toy gun. Yeah. And never really wanted to be number one. Just wanted to love everyone. Is there more to this than that? Is there more to this than that? Is there more to this than that? Is there more to this, more to this, more to this? Waiting on a war. What was that? That, my friend, was a B flat sus 2. So if you're a beginner, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and get on out of here. Get on. Move along. This is the intermediate advanced zone. We've got a bar chord. You were thinking at the beginning like, oh, that's easy. D, A7 sus 4, E minor, G, simple, C at 9. Got this. Then that B flat sus 2. I don't know why Dave Grohl had to do that, man. He was like writing a beginner song. This is like, I'm a new and rising. I mean, that song, super easy. Beginners can play it. But now with this one, he has to go and throw in a B flat there. Beginners, if you're still here, thanks for watching. But you're not going to be able to do this. It's going to take some work. But anyway, I'm going to walk you through the song slowly, step by step. That was just a little bit of comedy. Throw it in there in the mix. And let's get started with the chords. So, if you look at the PDF or the chords you get on Ultimate Guitar, which I edited slightly, you'll see there's a D at the beginning. Now, D chord, obviously everybody knows a D chord. I'm not going to go over that. And then after that, we're looking at the main progression of the song. There's an A7 sus 4. So, just like that. Or you can play with one finger, like that. So it's basically D, pinky goes down, and these two fingers go to the middle of the fretboard. That's your A7 sus 4. Then you take just these two fingers and you take them up one string. Boom. Then you're at the E minor 7, and then you go to G. So just to repeat, D, A7 sus 4, E minor, G. Now the strumming is pretty simple. It's got a lot of up strums. It's like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. You get the idea. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, I'm probably distorting the sound here a little bit. Okay. Guys, so that's it. This song is pretty easy. Okay, let's do the chorus section, which is the more to this than that. That section is E minor, G, D, A. Okay, let's just repeat that. E minor, G, D, A. Now for the A, we're always going to use this A in this song. Okay, so is there more to this than that? Is there more to this than that? Again, the more. But now instead of going to the D, you go to C and you stay at C for a long time. The more to this, more to this, more to this, more waiting on her. Now there's the hard part. D, Now for the intermediate players that don't yet know this chord, let me just show you that quickly. So you go, a B flat is on the first fret, and these two fingers go on the third fret. But then to make it a B sus2, you gotta strum all the way down. Oh, I use this finger to add some extra strength, because the hardest part with a guitar to bar is here on the first fret. So make sure you add your middle finger just to kind of get that out there. My hand's really tired, so most of the time I'll be able to do it with one finger. And make sure this finger is also muting the string just above it there. Otherwise you get this sound. Ah, that's like a horror movie. Very bad. Okay, and then after that it's F, and then C. It's just waiting on a world, it's waiting on a world. C, it's waiting on a world. So instead of G, so it's D, B flat, F, C, and then D, B flat, F, G. Let's put that on there. Okay, so that's your chorus section. Okay, got that? Take a good look at it, check it out, like it, subscribe it. Okay, and then the rest of the song is pretty basic, it's just nothing else. There's just one other way I would like to show you to play this D, B flat thing, because they do it in another part of the song where it's like really building up at the end. Then you can play the D here, and the B flat there, and the G there. It's like a D, B flat, G progression. So you can do that here on the 10th fret using an E-shaped bar chord, but don't do a full bar chord, just do the first 4 strings, or the last 4. Because oh, it's not in view. There we go. So it's 10th fret, index finger on 10. Anyway, index finger on 10, index finger on 6, index finger on 3. Just waiting out. So the strumming pattern for the chorus I forgot to mention is that down, down, up, up, down. If you're an advanced player and you're playing this song, wait a minute. Okay, if you're an advanced player, the song that you're gonna love also to learn, that I did a tutorial of, is the song from Guitarists, which goes like this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I've got a tutorial of that. Check it out on my channel, Guitarists, Heat Above. Go learn that song. That'll be a good song for you to do next. Anyway, man, have a nice day. See you on the flip side. See you on the flip side. Anyway,